A mother's worry allayed. Sheree Henley says a vaccination mandate for disability workers feels like a weight being lifted.
It's just a relief to have that backing of the government so that I'm not worried about ending up at Fair Work, because in the end, as well as being an employer, I am a mum, and these things are very difficult and hard to deal with.
Canberra disability workers and in-home and community aged care staff must be double dosed by November the 29th. Marcel Russell Hall is part of a team that cares for Sheree's son Isaac. He prioritised his vaccination.
My disability clients can't always socially distance in the disability field, so it makes it very important.
The mandate means the onus to check a worker's vaccination status will no longer be a burden for people with a disability and their families.
They won't need to have that conversation because they'll know that the employer for their disability support worker will have already had that conversation.
Jessie Claudianos manages disability homes in Canberra.
My staff have been incredibly vigilant when it comes to receiving the vaccination.
She welcomes the mandate, but says it should have happened sooner.
I do feel as though it should have been something that was a higher priority, as our workers are working with people with vulnerable, complex needs.
The Health Minister agrees. She says she wanted the Commonwealth to take the lead.
But their unwillingness to do it and the Prime Minister's not prioritising this as an item for National Cabinet has meant it's taken some time to get it done.
It's estimated 79.4% of ACT NDIS workers are fully vaccinated. That uptake is just behind the wider ACT community, which has hit 82%. Meanwhile, the Territory has recorded 24 new infections, with a record 20 people in hospital with the virus. The pandemic is clearly far from over, but today's changes bring Isaac closer to reconnection.
Oh, look, I think Isaac's going to love going back to work. He works as a delivery man. He has his own business called Isaac Delivers, and that's his role where he shines.
A highly vaccinated city delivering hope. Talia Roy, ABC News, Canberra.